of Computer-Aided Manufacturing. I am Neha Joshi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's session, we will discuss our first chapter, that is Computer-Aided Manufacturing. Today we will cover concept of CAM, then objective and scope of CAM, product cycle, then advantages and limitation of CAM. Now the computer has entered each and every field. It has become the most important tool in all technological areas. Design and manufacturing are not exception to it. Traditionally, the design and manufacturing have been treated as two distinct separate activities. However, the CAD/CAM has led to the greater integration of design and manufacturing. First of all, what is CAD? CAD can be defined as the use of computer system to create, modify, analyze or optimization and engineering design. Nowadays, various designing software like Creo, SolidWorks, Fusion 360 are used for designing. Part drawing are prepared in designing software, inserted in manufacturing software through various graphic standards. Here in the diagram, you can see from the design idea, geometric file is prepared using CAD software. Then this file is inserted into the CAM software through various graphic standards and tool path is generated automatically. Then after, CNC machines are operated. So from this we can understand how CAD and CAM are integrated design and manufacturing. Now what is CAM? CAM can be defined as use of computer system to plan, manage and control the operation of manufacturing plant through either direct or indirect computer interface with the plant production resources. Now here you can see the computer control all the functions of machine too. Now we will discuss application of computer in manufacturing. The application of computer in manufacturing can be classified into categories. First is monitoring and control application, which is direct application, and second is manufacturing support application, which is indirect application. Now first of all, we will discuss monitoring and control application. In monitoring and control application, there is a direct interface between the computer and manufacturing system. Monitoring and control application can be further classified into two types. First one is computer and monitoring system and second one is computer control system. Now what is computer monitor system? In computer monitor system, the computer collects the process data from the manufacturing system and display it on the graphic screen, but the process is controlled manually by the operator. Now next one is what computer control system. In computer control system, the computer collects the process data from the manufacturing system, analyze it and send the control signal to the manufacturing system. Now what is manufacturing support application? In manufacturing support application, there is no direct interface between the computer and manufacturing system. The manufacturing support application include computer-aided process planning, computer-assisted production planning, and computerized material planning. Here you can see process planning is a bridge between design and manufacturing. Now we will discuss the objective of CAM. First one is any factory can be made highly automated by deploying the real-time system and robotics. A CAM system is highly efficient because it can control the production house through different automated techniques. It is helpful in removing errors from the primary manufacturing process and can also keep track of further orders and material to be used. The next objective is the purpose of CAM is to ensure that the error rate is decreased, uniformity of the product is high and precision on the process can be achieved. CAM operation is part of almost industry nowadays. The automated plants have provided a hygiene and clean environment to various processes which cannot be achieved fully by the manually process. Now, what is scope of CAM? By integrating CAD, CAM and CAE, software like Creo, Ideas, CATIA help manufacturers to optimize product concept early in design process, enabling them to significantly improve product quality while reducing product development time and cost. Moreover, people having 3D CAD CAM CE knowledge have better chance of growth, immediate employability after completion of course, graduation and chances of job. Now we will discuss about the product cycle. What is product cycle? Product cycle integrate process, people, data and business and give product information for industry and their extended activity. Product cycle is the process of managing the entire life cycle of a product from starting through the design and manufacture to repair and removal of manufactured parts. Product cycle methods assist an association in managing with the rising difficulty and engineering challenges of developing new product for the worldwide competitive markets. In the figure, you can see steps involved in the conventional product cycle. The product cycle begins with the product concept. This concept is cultivated, refined, analyzed and improved. The next step in the design of the product, which include the synthesis, analysis, optimization. Synthesis means arrangement of different mechanisms to get desired output. Then after analyzing is done, the design is followed by the drafting and documentation. By drafting and documentation, component drawing, assembly, material specification. Here the design department hand over the baton to the manufacturing department. The next step is the process planning. Based on the drawing, the process plan is formulated, which specifies the sequence of manufacturing operations. The detailed specification of tool required, tool layout, material requirement are prepared. This is followed by the production planning and the actual production of the product. The produced part are inspected and made to pass through the certain standard quality test. The next step is the marketing and the product is then packaged and shipped to the customer. The last step is the customer feedback. The customer feedback from the continuously accepted and incorporated in the design. If according to the customer's feedback, if any change is required, then the change will be done in design and the whole cycle is repeated. Now here in this diagram you can see CAD/CAM assisted product cycle. The cycle begins with the product concept. The next step is CAD. The computer aided design of the product is carried out using the various CAD tools such as geometric modeling, finite element analysis and simulation. From the geometric model, detailed 2D drawing of the product and its component are created automatically. This step is known as a computer-aided drafting and documentation. At this stage, the complete description and information of the product is stored in the database of the computer. Then, complete description is given to the computer-aided process planning. The tool design and tool layout are also carried out using computer. This is followed by the computer-assisted production planning and the computer-aided manufacturing. The computers are used in production to monitor and control the manufacturing operations. Using the geometric model stored in the CAD/CAM database, automatically the tool path can be generated for CNC machines. The computer-controlled robots and the material handling equipment are also used in the production. In quality control, the computers are used for inspection and the performance or testing of the product and its component. Computer with the integration are greater help in the getting the customer feedback. Now we will discuss advantages of CAM. The first advantage is the CAM system can use the computer-aided process planning and the computer-assisted production planning. It's reducing manufacturing time, precise process planning and production planning done with the help of computer. So manufacturing time is reduced. The CAM system generates a complete tool path required for automatic manufacturing. Using geometric models stored in the CAD/CAM database, automatically tool path can be generated for CNC machine. The next advantage is the CAM system can use online automatically inspection. For that, coordinate measuring machines are used. Now, what are the limitations of CAM? The cost of hardware and software used in CAM is high. Highly trained manpower is required to operate the CAD/CAM system. Now, thank you for watching this video.